What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, okay, seriously, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today I'm back with the video. Obviously I'm in YouTube. So today I recorded this, I don't even know what to call it, but it's actually giving me like spacey vibes, you know, purple, blue, pinky, reddy kind of thingy. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then obviously continue watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can do it right now because obviously it's gonna be a good video. You can see like, yeah. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get right to it. 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 Wave check. They're not even looking good. But anyway, let's get to, I never do my eyebrows on camera just because I feel like, I'm sure I've said this before, but like eyebrows are subjective. Is subjective the word I'm looking for? I'm not sure, but it's like your own thing, even though some people do need like a lot of tutorials to like put them on the right track. But there's plenty of eyebrow tutorials, so I just feel like it's not necessary for me to do it. So yeah, so I'm going to start with this palette that I always use. I'm gonna use this purple in my crease, and then I'm gonna blend it out. So yeah, first we're just gonna start by packing in the purple in the crease and like you know, yeah. I'm using a very like pointed brush just to keep it like concentrated in my crease and not like blend out anywhere else, because I'm going to use a different brush later to blend it out. I don't really need to go all the way here just because we're gonna put a shimmer shade there, and I want it to kind of blend seamlessly there. So I think to blend it out, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try it. Like, this thing is confusing because as you can see, like when I do that, it changes color. So really, what's the truth next? Like, what color is this? Anyway, I'm gonna see how it looks. I haven't used this palette in forever. That's the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. Okay, I don't hate it, but yeah, it's not really what I was going for. But anyway, I'm just blending out the edges. Sometimes when you're blending, like the crease color will get lighter, so obviously just now I'm just gonna go back in and darken it again, just so it's not lost or like the gradient is visible. I'm going back in with the purple from earlier, and I'm just darkening the crease again. Not packing it on this time, kind of just like swishing. Is that the way I'm looking for? I don't know. of setting spray on my finger because I'm going to use my finger to apply this shimmer shade. So I'm using this ugly palette. Just kidding, sorry to this palette. I'm going to use this dark lavender shimmer over here. Put it on my finger. So I'm gonna put on lashes and then I'll be back. Yeah, it took me 15 minutes to put on. I mean, even this one is still not sitting the best, but I mean, it's on there. So we're gonna get to priming. So today I'm gonna use the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Dun Dun Primer, Pore Eraser. I don't even have big pores, honestly, but I mean, I like to use it just because I am oily, especially around my nose and my forehead. So I just use that so that it can prevent my skin getting like oily during the day. So I'm gonna use this foundation that I love so much, and I'm pretty sure the last time I recorded a video I was using this foundation. I really like it. It's just, yeah, it's good foundation. I'm not really someone that like tests things out quite often, which is, I mean, I test stuff out, but like when I find something that I like, then I generally stick to it. So yeah, I'm gonna use a beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend that in. It does oxidize, so like you need to blend it in fast. I'm pretty sure I've said this before about this foundation. If you don't blend it fast, then there will be like traces of where you applied it with the foundation stick thing. I was gonna use the what's this? What brand is this? Maybelline Instant Age Eraser, but like I said, I think I used that last time, so I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna use the Kryolan palette that I have. This is the Dermacolor Camoflauge palette, and I'm gonna use that color to highlight underneath my eyes. I'm just using like a packing brush. My chin, my chinny chin chin. Now I'm gonna blend that out with the Baby Beauty Blender. To contour, I'm using my fave black Opal foundation stick in the color Suede Mocha. And I'm just gonna do that there. I don't really need to contour my forehead. If I do it, it's because I'm bored. So I'm gonna take a bigger beauty blender again, just blend it out. So I'm gonna go in with this pink. Oh yeah, it's like a bright neon pink, and I'm gonna place it underneath my waterline, just like halfway, and right here. And I'm just gonna pack it in and blend it up there so it joins. And stop like there, kind of. So I don't have the blue I want exactly, so I'm going to use these two blues. They are shimmer shades, that one over here and this one there, and I'm just going to mix them together. And I'm going to start in this corner and like bring it down. I'm serving you intergalactic space goddess realness. I need to blend these things together and then yeah. But woo, bitch, the fuck. I love it when my eyeshadow cooperates with me. I lost my mascara. Shit. I'm gonna do the lower lash line. Now I'm using the Essence Volume Hero mascara. Maybe I snapped, you know, maybe I did. So I'm gonna set my face with the Kryolan translucent powder in the color TL5, the powder I've been using since forever. And I'm not gonna go too close up where I did the lower lash eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go beneath it. While that's setting, I'm going to further contour my cheeks, or set the contour, I guess. That Lego Glam palette. And I'm just gonna bronze it up again from here downwards in like circular motions. See? I'm just wiping off the other setting powder. Okay, so I'm gonna use blush. I never really use blush, but I've started recently. So I'm going to use this one over here very lightly because it's very bright, or pigmented. So I'm just gonna do this. I like to stipple it in first, see, because of how bright it is. This is also from the Glam palette. For highlight, I'm going to mix Golden Bronze from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow palette, this one over here, with a shimmer from this eyeshadow palette. I love using this eyeshadow palette for highlight. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna start on my nose. For lips, I'm using the Kryolan Lip Palette, and I'm gonna mix this dark brown with like that lighter brown. So I'm using a brush, small flat brush. I'm going to line with the darker lipstick, and then I'm going to the middle with the lighter one. Okay, now for the lighter one. To finish off the look, I'm going to use a lip gloss. And I'm using the Oh My gloss from Rimmel London. This is such a good lip gloss. Setting spray is finished, which is a joke, but I have two, but I don't like the other one, so let's just see. It came through for like 2 sprays, but anyway. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hit 100 subscribers like a while back, and I forgot to say it, like maybe like 2 videos back. But yeah, thank you to everyone that's already subscribed. If you aren't subscribed already, then get to it, and you can turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post once a century, I'm joking, no, I'm not really joking, whenever I post once a century, then you can get the notification. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I appreciate you if you keep coming back with all my inconsistencies. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I've said it like a million times. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy creating it. So yeah, signing out.